Cat and Dog by Jackie Briggs. Cass is a cat. Cass likes to play. Cass likes to nap. Dibs is a dog. Dibs just moved in. Dib wants to play. He wants a friend. Cass and Dibs meet. Kim and Ron meet. Kim and Ron play. "Do you want to play?" asked Dibs. Cass peered at Dibs. "No," she said. Cass is afraid of dogs. She hisses. But Dibs wags his tail. Dibs helps Cass play. He is kind. Cass has fun. Dibs is glad. They are hot now. Dibs follows Cass. It is cool here. They nap. Look at Cass and Dibs. They are friends. Kim and Ron are too. They're all friends now.